If the small size of Unisub's standard magnets are too small for yours or another's taste, it's always possible to turn Chromolux aluminum photo panels into magnetic pieces perfect for more personal settings. We'll show you how to do just that using a name badge magnet. Of course, you'll first need to prepare your image within the imprint area of your blank photo panel. If you own graphic design software, PDF templates for many Chromolux photo panels are available at heatpressnation.com to download and use. You can also do the following. Create a rectangle at your photo panel size with a 1/4 inch added to both its width and height. Then import your image to scale it down to the rectangle. Organize the image below the rectangle and select both to create a clipping mask. Your image will now be ready to print. Sawgrass users will need to print the image through Sawgrass Print Manager with these settings. Substrate to metal, paper to your paper's profile, leave mirror checked, and the color mode in the color tab to photographic or vivid depending on the image's color saturation. Once ready, simply click print. With the transfer printed, turn on your heat press and set it to 75 seconds at 385 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. As soon as it reaches temperature, cover the machine's lower platen with a sheet of parchment paper. Then add your printed transfer on top facing up. Bring your photo panel over, white side down on the printed image with its protective film removed. Then attach it in place with heat tape. Now you may cover it with another sheet of parchment paper to press it. After 75 seconds, open your machine and let the photo panel cool down for at least 20 seconds. Once cooled, wear heat gloves if necessary to quickly peel off the transfer, and now it's sublimated with your image. Take the photo panel out to completely cool down elsewhere, and once it's ready, you can add double-sided tape to one name badge magnet, which you'll then attach to the center of the panel's backside. While these magnets are designed for name badges, they will be strong enough to hold these photo panels, especially due to their lightweight nature. You can also use any similar adhesive magnet instead, such as any extra adhesive magnets from Unisub's regular set. But with the magnet attached, this photo panel is now ready to be mounted on any metal surface. You can learn more about Unisub and other sublimation blanks on our YouTube channel or at heatpressnation.com.